Hey guys, my name is Jose Laviedunprince and I will be showing you guys how to obtain a perfect dewy makeup look using some of my Olehenriksen products. Okay you guys, so to start off I'm gonna use my cold plunge pore mask and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it all over my face just to basically kind of like prep my skin. So this basically what it does too, it basically helps you shrink your pores, which is perfect just because we don't want pores. Who likes pores? I don't like pores, no one likes pores. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply like so in the specific areas just because we know we have most of the pores here. Well, at least for me, I have them here and then like on this part right here, okay? Okay you guys, so I went ahead and applied the mask on the specific areas of my face just because on these areas I have my pores a little bit more larger than usual than other parts of my face. So we're just gonna leave it for 15 minutes and then we're gonna rinse it off with cold water. This one you basically don't have to use it all the time, every single time you do your makeup. This one is just twice a week. Okay you guys, so 15 minutes are already up and we're gonna go ahead and rinse it off with cold water and then I'll be right back and show you guys the rest of the steps, okay? So I went ahead and rinsed my mask with cold water and my face feels so fresh and it feels so minty.
And it feels amazing.
So I'm gonna go ahead and use my C-Rush Brightening Cream, and this one I basically helps you brighten your skin, but I also love it and I love applying it before I do my makeup just because it's so creamy and it hydrates my skin so much. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab this much on my finger and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it like so, and I'm just gonna massage it. And as you guys can see, it just like hydrates the skin so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my banana eye cream and I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this much with this finger and I'm gonna apply it to this part of my eye and we're just gonna distribute it like so. This cream contains collagen, which is
amazing.
Who doesn't like collagen, right? Especially when you can use it as a base and basically have your favorite skincare underneath your makeup. And this is all for my skincare or my how to prep my skin before I go ahead and do my makeup. Okay you guys, so once I finish prepping my skin, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a primer and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to the specific areas of my face. And then we're just gonna distribute it. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my beauty blender and grab my foundation and we're just gonna go ahead and apply it. Okay you guys, so I went ahead and applied my foundation. I know I look a little bit scary, but we also love a good full coverage foundation, but yet still looking very dewy. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer underneath my eye just because we want to look very awake. And we're gonna go ahead and blend. Who else does the craziest eye when you're applying your concealer underneath your eyes? So you have to go like. So I went ahead and set my whole face with powder. I know it was supposed to be dewy, but I'll show you guys how to obtain the dewiness, but you still have to set your face. So we went ahead and set the under eyes, basically the whole face. I'm gonna go ahead now, go with bronzer and bronze my face. So I went ahead and bronzed my whole face and I'm gonna go ahead now and do my eyebrows off camera just because I tend to take a little bit longer doing my eyebrows. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay you guys, so the brows are done, the eyelashes are on, and I have mascara, which I look a little less scarier, which now I'm gonna go ahead and grab a blush. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab a peach blush just because it's summer and I want to look very peachy and very like
natural.
So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply like so to this part of my cheek. I love to smile when I'm applying my blush just because I feel like it's easier for me to know exactly where to apply the blush. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab a spray and I'm just gonna spray my whole face. And then we're just gonna dry. So basically this is the trick about looking very dewy. You have to spray the out of your container, your setting spray, and then just spray it all over your face just because it's gonna bring everything together and it's just gonna melt basically your foundation like together. Like it's basically gonna bring it together and it's just gonna give you a very dewy look and very like natural. Okay you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab a highlight. This is another part that will basically help your look very dewy. You need a really beamy highlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick my highlight and I'm gonna apply it right here like so. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the same highlight to the other side. Our nose, and then just dab, blend, and voila! Will look very dewy, yeah, very highlighted, and oh, and you can never forget the inner corner. We're gonna go ahead and just dab and dab like so, just to the inner corner. Just because that's gonna bring light to your eyes and it's just gonna open them up. Okay you guys, so I went ahead and did my lips off camera. So I decided to go for a nude color and a gloss on the center just because it'll bring the whole look together. We want to stay very like natural looking yet very like dewy. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face one last time just because it'll like bring the whole thing even more together and it'll just tighten everything that we added. And we're just gonna dry. Okay you guys, so this concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me and enjoyed some of my tips. And don't forget to follow me on all my platforms at Laviedunprince. And until next time, bye you guys.
Now I got cars, now I got clothes, now I got money. Now I got crowds screaming my name, saying they love me. You get real close, say I'm not alone, you understand me. But late at night when I close my